Don't educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy so they know the value of things, value of people, not the price. Money is nothing if you can't value people. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Ankit. Again I'm here with my new video. I hope you all are fine and happy at home. So our today's topic is value people, not money. Moral values of the people are the fabric that weaves our positive aspects of our character and outside inside our mind. As the unhealthy advent of money, this is the visible moral erosion. Example like son kills father for money. This is the total degradation of morals. Money is necessary for our survival in the life. The world is materialistic and it is necessary to live a meaningful life and to have money to live that life. But not at the cost of moral values and as such the people. Money can degrade morals. Money can distort morals. Human behavior, or should I say human nature, is weak enough to indulge in a small term benefits. Example, a civil servant take the bribe and after that he got arrested. So money is nothing but a valuing person is very much important. As we all know, what we do that come to us only. So whatever we do in past, it will reflect in present as well in our future as well. Let's suppose there is a salesperson, he want to earn money, but he only get his attention on making money, not on the value provided to their customer. Then how they will earn the money? How will he earn the money if he don't provide values to the customer? How he will earn the money? Because we all know, before buying a product, a customer buys the salesperson, he buys you, he buys me before purchasing any product. So always provide values to your customer. You have to value people, you have to value your customer, irrespective in which field you are, in which field you are working for. Because by providing values to the customer, there is a unbreakable bond of trust between you and your customer will develop, and after that bond will develop, he or she will purchase from you, and after that you generate the revenue from that sales. So before doing sales you have to develop trust, and how do you can develop the trust? By providing values to the people, providing value and also give respect to them, a generous gesture to them. Money will come and go, but there is something which will never come back. First the time, and second, once the trust will vanish, then it will very desperate, or you can say it is very hard to develop that trust again. So always provide value to the people, always value people. वो एक दोहा है ना हिंदी में कि रस्सी जब टूट जाती है और जब उसको जोड़ना पड़ता है तो एक गांठ पड़ जाती है, तो सेम यही होता है कि जब ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है हम उसे दोबारा बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि जुड़ तो जाती है पर उस पर गांठ बन जाती है. इन द सेम वे, if you try to develop a trust bond again, then it is very hard to develop that, because that person will not trust you anymore, or you can say very hard he or she can trust on you. If you want to live for 100 years, it not means to you will survive for 100 years. You can just you do something that people can remember 100 for 100 years. Like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, Bharat Ratan Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji did. They value people, they provide values to the people. Even after their death, we remember them. We remember them by their memories, their books. And more than 100 years, 1000 years, they will be remembered. So always try to give value to the people, because money will come and go, but once the respect will vanish, it is very hard to get that back respect. वो कहते हैं ना, पहाड़ से गिरा व्यक्ति तो उठ सकता है, लेकिन चरित्र से गिरा व्यक्ति नहीं उठ सकता. So always value the people, not money, because if you start valuing people, money will follow you. So always value people, not money. Thank you.